welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Rao. Joining me is Debashish Sen. We're outside of the Eden Gardens where India is practicing inside at the moment. It's the first full-fledged practice session of this, or rather ahead of this series. But the biggest talking point throughout the 2 days that we've been here is the pitch, because we've seen yesterday as well multiple conversations between Gautam Gambhir and Sujan Mukherjee, the pitch curator. Now, we also spoke to Sujan Mukherjee, who sort of confirmed that it will be a turning track, not a rank turner, but a turning track. He also confirmed that the management wanted there to be some spin on the wicket, and he's tried to the best of his abilities to bring that onto the Eden Gardens pitch. I am expecting it to be a classic Eden Gardens pitch where, it assists the fast bowlers and seamers in the first 2 days, and then it sort of starts breaking down and gives that spin. I also think because of this condition, the toss will come into play, and it will be very, very important who bats first. But today as well, the talking point of this practice session so far has been the long conversation between the Indian management, Morne Morkel, Ryan Ten-Doeschate, Gautam Gambhir, and of course the pitch curator again. Debashish is here to give us the details of what the conversation was, and of course we'll be touching upon the Ryan Ten-Doeschate press conference as well.
Yeah, Gargi, obviously today, just a few minutes back, we saw the pitch drama unfolding. Yes, I will just take you through what happens, the sequence. Obviously, when the Indian team arrived, we saw the Indian captain Shubman Gill walking straight to Sujan Mukherjee, and he was accompanied by the BCCI curators, BCCI pitch curators, Taposh Chatterjee and Ashish Bhomik. So all three of them were seen having a chat with the Indian captain, and we could actually make out that the Shubman was trying to tell them something, that he was not really happy with something, as was the case yesterday as well. Also, we saw Gautam Gambhir had an animated discussion with Sujan Mukherjee. The Indian coach was categorically seen pointing out to few of the cracks near the bowler's footmark. So, and today also, after Shubman had a discussion with the three people, Sujan Mukherjee, Taposh Chatterjee and Ashish Bhomik, then a few minutes later, we saw the Indian support staff headed by the head coach Gautam Gambhir and all the three crucial members of the support staff, Morne Morkel, Shitangshu Kotak and Ryan Ten-Doeschate, having a thorough look as to how the wicket looks like. And clearly we could see, as you can see from the pictures, that are the images that is available now, is that Ryan Ten-Doeschate was having a feel of the wicket, Gautam Gambhir himself as well as Shitangshu Kotak. So they were not really happy with something about the 22 yards. Yes, and moments later, Gautam Gambhir he moves away, and then Shitangshu Kotak was again seen having a chat with Sujan Mukherjee and the two BCCI curators. So clearly, I think the Indian team management, or rather, shall we say, the support staff led by the head coach is a bit concerned with something on the wicket. But we could also see, Gargi, that Sujan Mukherjee was sporting a smile. Means obviously he is someone who has always had a go with the home team, be it a KKR captain or the support staff, or right here at the Eden Gardens with the Indian team. But clearly, both the coaches, obviously the South African head coach Shukri Conrad, he categorically said that he reckons that it's going to be helpful for the fast bowlers for the first couple of days, but later on it will turn a bit. So and as Ryan Ten-Doeschate also reckoned that it will be a good wicket, that is for the first couple of days it will assist the pacers. So, but the pitch drama unfolding, it's the biggest headline right now.
Eden Gardens and pitch, what is it about this certain topic? But taking away from the conversation that we had with Sujan Mukherjee yesterday, he categorically said that I want Indian team to be favoured, and I am doing everything that I possibly can to make sure that the management gets what they want. He also said, number two, that the management wanted spin, and I said, I can give you as much as I can. He said, something along the lines of, sorry, this is all I can do. So a spinning track from day 3 is, I think, what Sujan Mukherjee can manage at this point. Obviously, this is the kind of surface that will not change overnight and turn into a rank turner. Anyway, India will not want that, knowing that Temba Bavuma has 3 really, really good spinners in that squad. You don't want another New Zealand series to happen. That will be India's biggest focus. And the other point here is, to close out this show, is obviously a couple of points from the Ryan Tendoshkate press conference. He more or less confirmed the playing 11, and it's exactly what we've been saying for the past couple of days as well. 3 spinners in Washington Sundar, Akshar Patel and Ravindra Jadeja. 2 pacers, likely Mohammad Siraj and Jasprit Bumrah, of course. And Dhruv Jurel will also make an entry into the playing 11. We are suspecting that it will be in place of Nitish Kumar Reddy, since Sai Sudarshan has been practicing and has been doing his usual match day routine. The kind of routine that he does before he's into the playing 11. So I don't think Sai Sudarshan is the person that's going to be dropped. But you more or less have your playing 11 now, no surprises there. This is the drama that's unfolding. We will be back at 5 live outside of the Eden Gardens again. So don't forget to join us then. Thank you so much.